Dear students, this is e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work. The subject is Basic Sociological Concepts of first semester of Mangalore University, and the session number is 25. The topic of this session is the process of socialization, and it includes the process of socialization and the factors of the process of socialization. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous class, students understood the meaning of socialization. The learning objective for this session is to understand the process of socialization. The expected session outcome is that students understand the process of socialization. So let us begin with understanding the meaning of the process of socialization. So the process of adjustment of a man to his social environment is the process of socialization. So socialization is the process of transforming the human animal into a human being, or of converting the biological being into a social being. The social order is maintained by the process of socialization as individuals learn to conform to the norms of the group. The process of socialization begins after the birth of an individual. So, this is in very brief the meaning of the process of socialization. So, let us have a look at the factors of the process of socialization. So, there can be classified into internal factors and external factors. So, let us begin with the internal factors of the process of socialization. The first internal factor is reflexes. Reflexes are the automatic and rigid responses of an individual to any stimulus or situation. These are not learnt and cannot be modified. The second is instincts. Any behavior is said to be instinctive if it originates in an urge or appetite, involving some sort of perception of the external world. It is peculiarly fixed and mechanical. It is dependent on inherited structure and therefore characteristic of the particular species, and is also adaptive or functional. The third factor is urges. The urge provides a stronger ground for analysis of human behavior. Unsatisfied human needs lead to a tension until it encounters some stimulus which is capable of relieving this tension. It provides a starting point for the process of socialization. The fourth factor is capacities. Every individual is born with inherent capacities. The limitations of the human being may be overcome, or the learning capacities may be extended with the help of new techniques, instructions, and technology. The fifth factor is comprehension and educability. The capacity to understand and analyze a situation is comprehension, and the learning capacities of an individual are the educability. So these are some of the internal factors. So let us have a look at the external factors of the process of socialization. The first one is imitation. It is an important factor in the process of socialization. Children learn many behavioral patterns through imitation of parents, siblings, and friends. Imitation may be conscious or unconscious, deliberate or spontaneous, perceptual or ideational. The second factor is suggestion. Suggestion also influences the process of socialization. Suggestions may be made with the help of language, pictures, symbols, etc. The third factor is identification. Identification also aids the process of socialization. A child may identify with some toys, a fictitious character, a parent, siblings, or some other person. The fourth factor is language. Language also helps the process of socialization. The child learns the language which further helps in picking up other social skills. So these are the external factors of the process of socialization. Now let us have a look at the phenomena of the process of socialization. So first of all, socialization is a continuous process. That is, socialization goes on lifelong. At no point of time in life it ceases or stops. The internalization of culture continues from one generation to the next generation. Members of the society transmit culture to the next generation, leading to the continuation of the existence of the society. The second, phenomena in the process of socialization is that timing is important in socialization. That is, socialization and physical maturation usually proceed together. Proper timing is very important for the process of socialization. The third point here is that the heart of the process of socialization is the gradual development of the self. The development of the self or ego plays a very important role in the process of socialization. The child is not born with this concept of self but learns it gradually as he grows up. Now, let us have a look at the session summary. The process of adjustment of a man to his social environment is the process of socialization. This process of socialization is influenced by internal and external factors. Let us have a look at some of the multiple choice questions. The first MCQ here is that socialization is the process of adjustment of a man to his A, physical environment, B, biological environment, C, social environment, D, cultural environment, and the right answer is C, social environment. The second MCQ says that the process of socialization begins A, before the birth of an individual, B, after the birth of an individual, and the right answer is B, after the birth of an individual. The third MCQ says that the internal factors for the process of socialization include A, reflexes, B, instincts, C, both A and B, D, none of the above, and the right answer is C, both A and B. The fourth MCQ is that the internal factors for the process of socialization include A, urges, B, capacities, C, comprehension and educability, and D, all of the above. The right answer is D, all of the above. The fifth multiple choice question says that socialization is a continuous process. This statement is A, true, B, false, and the right answer is A, true. So these are the books which have been referred to for the preparation of this e-content, and the students may refer these books for a better understanding of the subject. Thank you.